As soon as a patient will touch our sensor MX3010, it will send the all the data to our server and which can be monitored through our website. Click on the patient report. You'll get the how many blood oxygen, heart rate, body temperature, everything has been recorded here. Apart from this, we have a additional feature like you can see the online consultancy. Click on online consultancy, enter your name. See, it's already existed. You can remove this. Click on name, okay, and then type any number. See, and now you can give these details, PAN card, government ID, and all these things. And now, which kind of test do you want? RT-PCR, time slot. You can click on submit. Now you can see your everything has been submitted. uh, Now for monitoring everything, we have introduced admin login system. You can see the admin login system. Click your admin name and password. As of now, if you forgot, you can click your enter username, contact number, new password, confirm everything that we can use it. Click on login. Now you can see as soon as a person will enter, you will get the details. You can see Tamke number and their details assigned to whom should assign. I mean, in the lab, someone is there who will come to your home and will check it. You you can check it. You can give it to Mr. Ram, the person who is there. Now come to the back. You can see the dashboard. You can see how many data has been entered. Total number of six. Total assigned. How many it's in working. You can check the how on the way for the sample collection. It will come to your home at what location is coming. Total registered the working members that in the lab, registered patient. You can check the report also. You can generate your report also. And now if you want to click on this links by search of report, like if the number of candidate will increase, so how to search it, just click your number and you'll get entire thing. And now click on the admin. You can change your profile and you can confirm your resubmission. Come back and you can click on the logout. See, thank you, log it, BMS ITC. Click on the logout. Apart from this, if you want to bed booking also, click on the bed booking, online bed booking system. And now you can observe the number of beds that are available in the Karnataka. You can see it here. And easily you can book the bed also. Now click on the COVID booklet. It will give you the details that was given by Karnataka government. All the booklet details has been mentioned here. Apart from this, you can see the testing system, the same that we have mentioned, admin login system. These are the things that we can have mentioned in the website. Look at this, and the SG45 terms and FAQ that we have mentioned here. That's it.